Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a recipe that combines two classic traditional recipes, being Soji and Burfee, and converts it to a Soji cake with Burfee icing. A recipe that is quick and easy to make, so let's get started. To a bowl, add in 125 grams of butter or margarine. To this, add in 4 eggs. Add in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat this all together until it turns to a slightly pale color. Then add in 2 cups of full cream milk. Also add in half a cup of semolina or Sojee, 3/4 cups of coconut powder, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then add in 2 cups of flour, and this is normal cake flour. Lightly fold this until it is properly mixed together. Grease 2 25 centimeters loaf pans, or you could use any loaf pans of your choice. Then divide the batter equally into these 2 loaf pans. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown in color. While the cake is baking, let's make the Burfee icing. And for this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk powder to a bowl. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ilachi or cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of almond essence, and 50 to 100 ml of full cream milk, depending on the texture that you want for your icing. Beat this all together until you get a dripping consistency, and then leave this aside. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Once it has cooled, turn the cake over and place it onto a platter. Drizzle the Burfee icing over the cake like I've done here. And you can see that it's not very thin or very thick. Then decorate this as desired. Here I'm using some colored flaked almonds. This is going to be the perfect cake for your eat tables, so if you do try the recipe, don't forget to let me know how it turned out. Until the next vlog, happy baking! Don't forget, you can connect with me on all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching!